Hello everyone, welcome back to Wire Network. In this video, we will learn how to create or register a hik-connect account via web portal. Step 1. Register hik-connect account. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type a hik-connect and hit the enter. Next, navigate to register option. In the country or region field, select your country. Next, set your username. Next, type the password and confirm password. In the email field, type your email address. Next, enter CAPTCHA code. Next, check the I agree terms of service and privacy policy, then click on Next. Next, retrieve the verification code from the email inbox. After inputting the verification code, a pop-up will confirm that you have registered successfully. Step 2. Enable hik-connect on your hikvision device. To enable hik-connect service in your DVR or NVR, open the web browser on your PC. Input the device IP address and press the Enter key on your keyboard. Input the device username and the device password to login. Next, tap on Configuration. Next, navigate to Network and then click on Advanced Settings. Next, click on Platform Access. Next, select Platform Access as hik-connect. Check the Enable. If it is the first time to enable the hik-connect service, you should create a device verification code. Next, click on Save button. Next, enable hik-connect server time sync and then click Save again. Step 3. Adding device in hik-connect account. To add DVR or NVR in hik-connect account, log in hik-connect using your username and password. In the device management section, click on the Add button. Next, retrieve a serial number from your hikvision DVR or NVR. Next, click on Search. If your device is found, then click on plus button to add a device. Next, input a verification code you created in step 2. Click OK button. Finally, your device is added successfully. In your Android phone, open Play Store and download hikvision. Tap on Install. Next, open the app. Click to agree button. Next, select your region. Next, log in your hik-connect account using email and password. After login, click on Add Device. Tap on Manual Adding. Next, enter your device serial number. Click to Save button. Click to Add button and then input your verification code.